Setting Sonoff RF. Power up, after green light blinking push button for 7 seconds. Wait until red light blink once. LED will blinking for 3 times then off 1 time, Sonoff ready to pairing with Ulink application. Install Ulink application from Play Store, do user registering as needed. Click plus for adding device. Select quick pairing. Select add one device. Pairing must be linking through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so make sure your cellular also set to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Fill the Wi-Fi password, then click next. Ulink will searching device, then pairing available device. If pairing successful, then LED will be stopped blinking. Device successfully added. Could change the device name. Test on and off. This button can be used to on and off. How to setting remote. Push button for 3 seconds, after red light blink once, immediately push the button on remote. Successfully remote setting. Thank you for watching.